Hearing whining noises or spotting fluid under your Colorado's axle? That usually points to worn differential seals or incorrect installation from previous service. Towing, off-road driving, and heavy hauling often accelerate wear on these components. Haynes includes clear visuals, torque specifications, and straightforward repair guidance so you can locate leaks, replace parts correctly, and avoid more expensive driveline problems down the road. Order your Chevrolet Colorado print manual with digital access at Haynes.com.